Today we are traveling to another offbeat location which is tucked away in the West Khasi district of Meghalaya. This untouched meadow lies a few hours from Shillong with landscapes that can give stiff competition and rival Zuko Valley. The place we are talking about is the scenic Markham Valley. We begin this video with tea and snacks from a place near Mairang. We will take this short break and continue with our journey to our destination. Markham Valley is at a distance of 67 kilometers away from Shillong with a drive of about 2 hours or more. From Shillong, drive towards Mairang, and then before reaching Khasi, there is an important turn towards the left. You will see a small steel bridge over Khasi River. Cross the steel bridge and just keep following the road uphill. The road here is narrower, but the scenery is stunning and you will pass through green hills and lush valleys. Drive for about 30-40 minutes and you will reach your destination. This valley is one of those places where you just feel relaxed the moment you arrive. No noise, no rush, just open green spaces and fresh air everywhere. It's far from the busy town, so you can really slow down here. The rolling green hills, the fresh air, and the calm all around make it feel like nature is welcoming you. And it's not just the beauty of the land. The people here are warm, friendly, and always ready to greet you with a smile. The roads, the hills, the way the cloud moves, everything makes you want to just stop and enjoy the view. The best part is you don't need to plan a lot of activities. There is nothing much to do, but just being here itself is enough. You can just walk about the soft grass under your feet here on the vast open spaces and the lush green meadows stretching as far as you can see. It is that kind of place where you don't do much, but you see and feel more. If you're visiting Meghalaya, make some time for Markham Valley. It's not about ticking off places from a list, it's about feeling the place. The months between September to March has the right kind of weather that feels just right, cool, fresh and comfortable to spend the whole day outdoors. Whether you want to explore, take photos or simply enjoy the view, these months give you the best chance to experience Markham Valley at its finest. But if you love the rain and want to soak in the monsoon, then June to August are the best time to visit Markham Valley. It is always better to pack something warm. The days might be pleasant, but once the sun goes down, the cold sets in fast. Don't count on a full mobile network here. Sometimes you will have it, sometimes you won't. So keep your plans flexible and enjoy being away from constant notifications. Respect the nature and keep these places clean. So that's all in this video for today. If you've liked the video and if you love to see more offbeat places like this one, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, as we will bring you more travel stories like these. Thanks for watching.